I'm going to show you guys how I do my natural glowy makeup look. Starting with this Rio Sunset Glow Oil. It smells so good. It smells like a vanilla cookie. Make sure to get a good amount on my eyelid and right under my brow because I'm not going to apply eyeshadow, but this is going to give a nice effect, almost as if I did. CoverGirl concealer, this one is called Natural Ivory. I'm just going to do 2 small dots right under the eye. Blending that out, this concealer right here just gives your eye a little lift. I use the rest of the product on this sponge just to go over any light redness. I love this product. It is Roly Posy Rosy Clinique Blush Stick. I'm just going to put it a little under the eye and up, and I want a little bit on my nose too. It just melts right into your skin. It looks so natural and pretty. Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I'm just going to tap this right underneath my eyes. Revlon mascara. This shade is called Black and Brown, so it's not like a pitch black. Kokie Cosmetics Nude Lip Liner. I try to use a natural shade so it just blends really well. Last, I'm going to go in with a tinted lip gloss. This is Ruby Kisses Cherry Pick, like 99 cents I think at the beauty supply store. I know it looks so bright in the bottle, but it just comes out sheer. This is the finished look. Look at the glow. Just a few products, honestly, not hard, and just a really beautiful result.